Hello students, welcome back to Grade 8 Mathematics Linear Equations in One Variable. Part 5, Word Problems. Problems on age. Question number 1 that has been taken from your NCERT book only. The ages of Rahul and Haroon are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of the ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? Let the ages of Rahul and Haroon be 5x and 7x because they are in the ratio 5:7, so I can take them as multiples of 5 and 7. Now, according to the question, 4 years later, the sum of the ages will be 56 years. After 4 years, both of them will grow by 5 years. So, their ages will become 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. And now their sum is 56. So I will add them and equate them to 56. Here I have like terms, so I can add 12x plus 8 is equal to 56, which implies 12x is equal to 56 minus 8. Implies 12x is equal to 48. Implies x is equal to 4. Now this is the value of x, but the ages will be 5x and 7x. So 5 into 4, that is 20 years, and 7 into 4, that is equal to 28 years. Next question. Shobho's mother's present age is 6 times Shobho's present age. Shobho's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's age. What are their present ages? Suppose Shobho's age is x years. Then mother's age will be 6 times because Shobho's mother's present age is 6 times his present age. If his age is x, then mother's age will be 6x. Now 5 years from now, Shobho's age will be x plus 5. But then it is given Shobho's age will be 5 years from now, and this will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. That means x plus 5 will be 1/3 of the present age of the mother. 1 by 3 into 6x. Now these two are multiplied, so I can cancel. So here comes 2. So x plus 5x is equal to 2x, which implies 2x minus x is equal to 5, which implies x is equal to 5. Now x was Shobho's present age, hence Shobho's present age is 5 years, and mother's present age will be 6 into 5, that is equal to 30 years. Let us consider one more example. Grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. Let the granddaughter's age be x years, it is unknown. Grandfather is 10 times older than granddaughter, therefore his age will be 10 times x. Also, it is given that grandfather's age is 54 years more, so it will be x plus 54. Now these two are the ages of grandfather, so they can be equated. That means x plus 54 is equal to 10x. This implies 10x minus x is equal to 54. Implies 9x is equal to 54, which implies x is equal to 6 years. Therefore, granddaughter's age is 6 years. And grandfather's age is x plus 54, which is equal to 60. Otherwise also, you see grandfather's age is 10x. Just put here 6. So you will get 10 into 6, that is 60 years. Now you will be in a position to do these questions yourself from NCERT book. Question number 10 on page 32, question number 12 on page 28, and question number 6 on page 35. Happy learning.